So the once mighty, now hapless West Indies that just edged Zimbabwe in a test series. The West Indies have announced a 15-man squad to tour New Zealand later this month. We see Jermaine Blackwood is still in, Kyle Hope is out, and Sunil Ambrose is in. And surprise, surprise! No Darren Bravo! And it takes us right back to the big hullabaloo between Bravo and West Indies board president Mr. Dave Cameron in what is widely known as the Big Idiot Saga. After all the big controversy, where man all threatened lawsuit and courthouse business, olive branch offered and fences mended, Darren Bravo got called up for the tour of England. He was presumptuous enough to decline the offer. So, the war done. West Indies selectors come calling, and you tell them you're not interested. You know, so from that, West Indies selector them no look upon him, which is right. Say it already and I'm going to say it again. Nobody is bigger than West Indies cricket. And Darren Bravo is in no position to use West Indies cricket at his own convenience. Bright and feisty and out of order. Take for yourself. Nobody no see you and nobody no miss you. I have to say well done to the West Indies Cricket Board and the West Indies selectors who get a whole heap of beating over the years. But me have a big one up on this one. For not paying Darren Bravo no mind. Right now it look like him career done. Yes. You know what I mean by done? That's what I mean by done. Done. Come on, show you. This is the water. Water done. Career done. No. Career done.